Welcome to my little country kitchen. Today we are going to be making some delicious, yummy broccoli cheese soup. I will show you the recipe. It's half a stick of butter and half a large onion diced up, and get those soft and translucent. This recipe I adapted from the Copycat from Anita's recipe and a Copycat from a Panera recipe, and I just kind of made it my own. You'll see my shortcut that I did. I put in a little bit of my homemade chicken broth and then 1 can of cream of chicken soup. This is so I didn't have to make a roux because I was tired and hungry and I just wanted dinner faster. So I whisked that in, mixed it all together so it was less clumpy. Then I'm bringing it up to temperature. You'll see what I'm doing with this later, maybe next week. You can eat the stems of broccoli, you just need to peel them. We'll be back in half an hour. Instead of doing a separate video on my sauerkraut, I decided just to do it right now because I want some for dinner. Oh goodness! Okay, that's not good. Obviously molding. Let me scoop that out. Ugh. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, this part doesn't smell icky. Let's taste. Okay. I'm gonna stick it in a new jar now. Okay, I'll stick this in the fridge. This will be for my dinner. And if you remember, this had red cabbage, golden beets, and one other thing. I can't remember. I think carrots. See, I honestly can't remember because everything's purple now, so. Yum. Success. So that's definitely a beet. That's definitely cabbage. This will really help my tummy because I've been having candida issues. Okay. The soup is about halfway done. It's been cooking for 15 minutes. But the broccoli is not tender yet, so we need to wait a little longer for the broccoli. Then we can blend some up. It's been about 20 minutes, and the broccoli seems to be mostly soft. But I wanted to finish off the heavy whipping cream I have in the fridge. Add some milk. Let this warm up again, and then I'll add in the cheese. And if I feel it needs to be thicker, then I can add in some freeze-dried potatoes. Okay. This has been cooking for about half an hour now. Time to add the cheese. You add it on low so it doesn't get grainy. About 2 cups of cheese. Immersion blender time. I am not going to add the potatoes because I want it to be add less carbs the possible, the least carbs possible. I'm just going to taste for flavor. Okay. Definitely needs pepper. And do some lemon pepper. That's the recipe from the Kneader's Copycat. Garlic salt. And fresh ground nutmeg. The nutmeg was on both the Panera's Copycat and the Kneader's Copycat. So I did a shortcut, as you could tell from the very beginning, by adding in the cream of chicken you basically don't have to make a roux, and it makes it cooking faster. And you could go even faster if you used frozen broccoli. Now, two thumbs up. That's perfect. Maybe a little bit more garlic salt. Go ahead and turn this off and let it cool down, then we can eat. Look at that yummy soup. Let's give it a taste. Yummy. My delicious homemade sourdough bread. Technically, I'm not supposed to be eating this, but I can't resist when it's homemade. That totally hits the spot. The only thing the bread's missing is hazelnuts. And that's exactly like Neater's. Yeah? What do you think, honey?
It's really good. It's really good.
You like the soup?
Yeah, it's really good.
Want to know the secret ingredient?
Broccoli.
Flavoring. It's the spice.
Cardamom.
Nutmeg.
Oh.
So, nutmeg and lemon pepper and garlic salt are the secret ingredient. Well, thank you for joining me. See you next time, and check out this video you might like.